Hi everybody. So today we're going to play a really cool song called Lonely People. It's in the key of G, 4/4 time. In the key of G, we know the three major minor chords, and that's what we need to play this song. So go to Ultimate Guitar to look the song up. The guitar chords show that it's in the key of G. However, they have a capo on the first fret, so when you click on the piano chords, it says G sharp. So we're going to play in G. So just go ahead and go back to the guitar and print out those chords. Just realize we won't be able to play along with the CD because it's in the key of G sharp. So I'm going to go ahead and play the song slowly. I'll call the chords as we go, and after I'm done, I'll give you some tips on how to play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for all E minor, B minor, G, E minor, B minor, D, C, D, G, E minor, C, D, G, C, G/B, A minor, C, G/B, A minor, C, G/B, A minor, D/F sharp, G, D, G. Okay, so this is in 4/4 time. You're in the key of G, so you are in G position. For the verse, the left hand is playing whole notes, and the right hand is playing quarter notes. But the first beat of every measure is a rest. A rest means silence or not playing. So you'd play it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you put the whole note on the left hand, it would sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the other thing to notice is just remember those shortcuts. That's why we did the inversions. So the right hand plays the G, E minor, you just need to move one finger. And then to play the B minor, the one note in common with E minor and B minor is the B note. So you just slide that finger up so you can reach this F sharp note. So you're going to be sliding up and down a little bit. And then second time through it plays G, E minor, B minor, and then D, real simple, play the A note instead of the B. And the other thing to remember too is when you're moving, keep the other fingers in that G position. You don't want to go like this because otherwise you'll lose your position. So always remember that. You always want to remember where your home base is. And when you're playing, you don't want to be lifting your other fingers up. You'll get lost that way too. So always keep in touch with the keys. When we get to the chorus, we start to play something called a bass run. A bass run basically is a very small scale, usually with the lower bass notes, played on the left hand. So it'd be, you're going to hear 1, 2. So on the chorus, the right hand is going to be playing all quarter notes. And so to start off from that G, where we left off from the verse, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, A, B, the C chord, 1, 2. Then we play a G chord, but we're playing a B bass note. So this is actually a slash chord. We heard about this when we were looking at how to use Ultimate Guitar. G/B means the right hand plays the G chord, but the B means that it plays the B bass note. Then the next chord is the A minor. So I play an A bass note, and I gotta move all three fingers up. 1, 2, A, B, and then C chord. All I gotta do is move that finger then to get that next C, to grab the C chord. 2, G, G/B, and then the A minor again. That's our second time through. One more time. 1, 2, A, B, C, G/B, A minor. Now right here we play D/F sharp. So the pinky plays an F sharp bass note while my right hand plays the D chord. And then back to the G. I think in the video I went like that. Technically you probably would go like that. And then I get back in my home position like that. Okay, one other thing I want to mention is that we've done this before. You can also take that left hand and drop that down an octave. So you got some lower bass end to it. It would sound like this. And the bass drum would sound like this. Okay, as far as how the singing went, let's see where the notes fall with the ranges. Starts on a B. This is for all. That's easy enough, but then it goes to that high G's out of my range. I can hit an E fairly comfortably, maybe not when I'm sick, but that's out of my range. And then the last note would be G. So really it's only an octave. That's not a hard song to sing once you get it in the right key. If I dropped it an octave and started here, this is for all the lonely people. It's on my lower side. I can easily hit that. But then when I get to the ending, ride that highway in the sky. I don't have a lot of volume on that, so this would not be the best key for me. So what my solution would be is to try playing in a different key. Next video, since we don't have enough time on this one, I don't want to make them too long, we're going to put it in the key of C and see how that works out for us. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. And bass run is basically just a run of bass notes up the scale. For now it's going to be, in a row, consecutive. Sorry, there's that cold.